Hello, welcome to my channel. Guess what time it is? One of my favorite times of the month. I just received my August kit from My Creative Scrapbook, and it is the limited edition kit, and I love getting the box. It's so funny. I was just standing at my desk, and I was trying to think of what project to do. And I looked out my window, and there comes my postman delivering my box. My face lights up. I rub my hands together and say, now I know what I'm going to record. So I've already opened it. I haven't really looked at it. I like to do that together. So let's take a look. I did notice that we always get this page with our in our kit, but it says September is free gift month. Your free gift will be included in your September box. Yay! So next month I will get a free gift. That's exciting. Okay, so let's see. We have some sequins, and this color is called Butter. We have some butter sequin and some ephemera, and oh, it looks like this collection is called Spring Farmhouse. Yes, Spring Farmhouse. So that seems to be the name of this collection. And so, oh, we have two ephemeras. Oh, that's good. Okay. So this one's just got all different little pieces, and this one is all floral. Excuse me, all floral. Well, that's good. Let's see. And we have some wood stickers. I really like these. They're already kind of framed, and I like, the sentiments are all nice. So those are great to work with. So that's exciting. Stickers. These are like they have a wood grain. Let's see. From EK Success. That's cute. And some thickers. And okay, some thickers that have words already. That's good. We've gotten other one of these. It was all gold like this. But it looks like this one's got different colors. So that's cool. Stickers. And okay, now we're to our papers, which is always my very favorite part. And we have a sticker sheet. Yes! Look at that. Okay. This goes along with our theme, Spring Farmhouse. So, okay. Don't you just love stickers? Why is that? I don't know. I love stickers. Okay, let's take a look at the papers. Isn't that nice? Look at that. That's the size of a card. That could be like the whole front of your card right there. How simple is that? That's the back. They're cute. Okay. And here's some more. These are a little smaller. Rise and shine. Let's see what the back looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. Stripes. I had more of that peach. Was it last month? Maybe the month before. Had a lot of peach. And I was always iffy, but the more I see it, the more I like it. I'm really starting to like peach. Oh, and here's another sheet. They get even smaller. Look at that. These are the bigger. These are the biggest. Yeah. Let's see what's on the back. Oh, pretty. How pretty. Oh, look at the plants. That's really cute. So cute. I like that. Excuse me. Oh, wow. Okay, isn't that nice? Oh. Lots of checks. It's a pretty color green. I like that. Oh, wow. They're all doors. That is just too cute. Ooh, stripes. That's pretty. Some flowers. Oh, look, lots of flowers. Lots of flowers. Da, da, da. Oh, some more checks. More checks. Checkers. It's kind of peachy color again. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, nice. Okay, that's kind of cool. So even if you don't use up all the paper, look at all the little sayings that are on here. You could always, if you're needing a sentiment for a card, you can always, if you have some of this left over, just cut it out, and that can be the sentiment for your card, or I don't know, whatever other project you might be making. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. And here are some more. Look at that. Again, now you know, a nice little focal point to make your card. Oh, isn't that cute? Little bicycles. I like that. More flowers. More flowers. Excuse me, I had to cough. Uh-oh, hold on. I just noticed something. Okay, that's spring farmhouse still. Looks like we've got some other pages. It's still simple stories. Okay, that's the same. But this is simple vintage traveler. Okay, so it's like maybe a little part of a different collection. Let's see. These are all based around traveling. That's cool. Oh, wow. That's pretty. I like dots. Dots. Oh, look, here's another page. Again, you know, something simple to use. You can cut them out and use, you know, the words and phrases on, you know, your cards or whatever else you're making. The world is yours. Explore and discover. Away we go. Come on. Oh, look. Okay, well, that's a map. Pretty good for a whole travel theme. That works. Oh, like this kind of looks like snippets of postcards and itineraries. And stamps. Nice. But again, I mean, it's a slightly different, well, I mean, it is a different collection, but still pretty much staying within the color theme. So, all right, cool. So we have lovely papers as usual. We have a sticker sheet this time. We have some word thickers and some regular stickers. It looks like wood grain. And we've got some wood stickers with sentiments on it. We've got 2 ephemera packs. Nice. Cardstock die cuts. Okay, there's 35 in here and 50. Oh, wow. All right. And some sequins. Cute little sequins. Looks like they're in the shape of hearts. Hearts and like little dots. Isn't that cute? All right. That is the August kit. What do you say we make a card? Maybe we can make a couple of simple cards. I haven't done that in a while. So why don't we do that? Well, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed taking a peek inside the kit. I'll put the link to the My Creative Scrapbook in the description box below the video. And definitely leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from people who perhaps maybe you get a kit already. Maybe you get a different kit from either My Creative Scrapbook or maybe a whole different company. I'd love to hear feedback on others. This is the only kit I've ever gotten. Well, I'm sorry. Well, for My Creative Scrapbook, I did get an additional add-on kit, and I got that for a little while, and then I stopped. But still, I've never received a full kit, you know, different kit from My Creative Scrapbook or any other, definitely not any other company. So I'd really be interested to hear from people who perhaps you get a different kit. I'd love to hear what kind of things you get in that, in yours. Anyway, let me know if that's something that you've got or that you're interested in. That would be, I'd love to hear about it. And I appreciate you tuning in, and thanks a lot for joining. I'll see you next time. Bye.